See the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. Okay. So the first step for the boys will stand like this, hand over here, and just with the hand, just do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the girls, sit like this. Yes. Hands. You have done the mudras. Kattari mukha near your eyes. Kattari mukha near your eyes. Okay? Everybody do it. Yes, yes. Very good. Like this, girls, what you are going to do, you will sit and you will move your head, eyes to the right, left, 4 times. Okay? With a smile, with energy. Okay? Everybody, do it. Keep your hand here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now slowly you will get up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, from the back I'm showing you. 2, 3, start, girls. Right, left, and get up in front and get up in front. Okay. Let's do it. Doing the girls one. Head up, slowly stand up. They say, oh my. Okay, boys, this one. After this, they say, oh my God, you're shining. Okay? What is this step? Girls and boys together. What you're going to do? Left hand over here. Right hand moving front. How you will go in front? 1, 2. 2 steps. From back, you will move front. 1, 2. Okay? Hand over here. 1, 2. This is the classical part. They say, oh my God. Okay? They say, oh my God, you are shining hard. Shining bright. Okay? Keep your hand over here. I'm doing from front. One hand here like this. Tola hasta. One hand in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Yes. Come on. 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will be jumping. Left, right. Jump, left, right. Jump, left, right. Okay? And the jump When the jump, what the hand will be doing? You open your hands from here up. How you will do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Once one, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. One, open. Then you will spread your legs. Spread your legs. And hand should come up. How? Take your hand. Okay? Take your hand. Right hand. Take your hand up. Put it near your face. Near your face. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the step? 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? This heel, flat, flat. Heel, flat, flat. Right is heel, left flat, right flat. Left is heel, right flat, left flat. Left hand is at the back. Bring your left hand in front. Spread your legs, okay? Bring your left hand in front. Then 1, 2. Okay? Knee should be down. 2. And hand 1, 2. First you should sit in a box. Sit in a box. You need to sit in a box. Yes. So from back, from the classical part, you will bring your hand in front with an attitude, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. After that, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm starting from the beginning. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And I'd like to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you see. Got it? After that, put your hands over here and look up. This is Kataka Vardhana. You have done this. First, Alapadma to Kataka Vardhana. Yes, Alapadma to Kataka Vardhana. Yes. From here, hip, then ooh, there is a music. Ooh, okay. From here, ooh, look up. Yes. Then a little tricky. See the legs first. It is toe, right flat, left flat. Again, toe, left flat, right flat. All right. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After that, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Once more, toe flat flat, toe flat flat. Okay. Then right back, front, left back, front. Take turn. Ooh, look up and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After your right hand in front of your face. 1. Okay, in front. 2. Now both hands here. Right hand and on top of left hand. Yes. Then hip, and body roll. That. Come on, everybody.